Harry, you got a new briefcase.
Yes, this case is from Popular Power and it can do any welding job.
Wow,
It can weld with 3.2 electrode.
wow, it's small, but it's so strong. I wish I can use one.
Anyone can have this welder for home use and with this stable performance.
Is there any promotion for this model?
Yes, now you can have a Canton Fair sample promotion 10% discount.
Wow, it's so cost effective. Don't miss it. Take it home.
Here are many electrodes, and I can see here is a cellulose electrode as well. So, do you have any welding machine for cellulose electrode?
Yes, this model, the MA200CS, CS is stand for cellulose. It can weld with,
Yes, it can work with E7010 and function, and also it can be worked with 110 and 220 voltage, and work with generator. Is it correct?
perfect.
Okay.
This model is very popular in South American market. You can contact us to get the Spanish video. Everyone, the excited moment, the showtime of our magician Rebecca.
Look at this metal. It's rusted, right?
Okay.
And magic time.
Don't go.
Pop. Now it's clean as new.
Rebecca, how can you make it?
We have a TIG series with clean function. Look at this TIG 160P.
Oh, you mean this one?
Yes.
The ADCT with pulse function and NA and the clean function.
Yes, that's right. Clean function by use this, and then it can be clean.
Wow, that's great. There are 6 models in this TIG series with clean function.
180.
Yes.
Yes, and 200.
And with pulse and without pulse function.
Eric, we received some inquiries from our customers who is in demand of skillful crafter level welding machine. Do you have any recommendation?
Then I will recommend this TIG 200P AC/DC. It's a multifunction TIG welder with AC TIG and AC pulse TIG for aluminum, and DC TIG, DC pulse TIG, and MA and auto welding.
Okay, and you can see it is the pulse frequency and the cleaning room rest and also the cleaning scope are all adjustable.
Right. It also can work with a remote control with
Yes.
a foot pedal connection. Okay, it's the turn of the TIG 200DB AC/DC.
Yes, this is the intelligent welding machine. You can see the control panel is different to other welders.
Yes, it is the digital control panel with LCD display.
Yes.
It's very easy to operate.
You can see all the function can be found here and it's very easy to operate. You can choose the AC function and
AC pulse,
yes.
TIG, DC TIG, DC pulse TIG, MA and auto welding.
Yes, also with the remote control pedal, the foot pedal, right?
Yeah, it's optional.
Yes.
And for such multifunction TIG welder, the pulse frequency clean
Cleaning
wise
and the cleaning scope are all adjustable.
right.
What's this for?
Oh, it's a 1 kg wide form for this machine here.
Oh, I see. I know this model. It's FC120.
Right. This is a professional gaseous blast cold wide welding machine.
Is it for dual voltage?
Oh, Exactly, it works with 110 watts and 220 watts.
Also, it's with MA function and the lifting function.
So you can see it's a multifunctional gas express called wide welding machine.
Is there any promotion for this model?
Oh Mila, you're so considerate. Now all buyers can enjoy the Canon Fair sample promotions 10% discount.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Take this mini model for DIY jobs.
Exercise during the break time. Do you want to try
Yes. Oh, this is easy.
this? Oh, Mila, it's just a 5 kg wide spoon.
I prefer this one. 1 kilogram.
Oh, I think the MiG 160 will prefer both
Oh, cool.
because this multifunction gas and gasless MiG welding machine works with 1 kg and 5 kg wide spoon.
What function does it have?
Oh, I just mentioned it's multifunction gasless and gas MiG mag wide welding machine, so it works with the
Oh, I see. MIG, MAG, and it also has MMA, lifting, and flux core welding.
yes. Take this multifunction MiG mag welder for multitasks.
Wow, what a nice welding effect. Who made this?
This welder, the MiG 180p.
Can it weld aluminum?
Definitely, this is a multifunction MiG mag welding machine.
What function does it have?
Oh, you can have a look from the control panel.
Oh, I see. MIG, MMA, lifting, and the flux cord welding.
Right, and this multifunction MIG mag welder also works with either 1 kg flux cord wire or 5 kg wire span.
MIG 200X.
Right, besides this multifunction MIG mag welding machine works with MIG
Yes.
flux cord wire welding, MA
With 1 kilogram and 5 kilograms for wires.
wire spawns.
Yes.
The maximum output current of this machine is 200 amps, and it also has a smart fan.
Wow, what a nice cutting piece. This is so even.
Because it cut by this plasma cutter, the 120.
And this looks over 30 millimeter.
Exactly. Actually, this cutting piece is 45 millimeters, and this is the maximum thickness this machine can cut.
I see. So as an industry plasma cutter, can it connect with CNC machine?
Definitely, it can work with CNC machine to do the automation cutting jobs. It's time for the CTM 160.
What does CTM stands for?
It stands for cut, TIG, and MA.
So it's a multi-functional wheel in one model.
Right, and it with a very intuitive control panel. You can just switch the button to choose a function, like what we are seeing now is cut.
Factories, and I think we should start introducing our company, HPMM, by watching a small, brief video. What do you think, Shine?
Yeah, let's see the video about our factory first.
Yeah.
Okay, have a look.
Are you going to share it?
To celebrate the first live streaming.
One generator, which helps to improve promotions, and or not only.
First,
Here meets our new inflators HJS 711LX and 931B family. HJ 931B family is the new automatic inflator. We have designed the panel sloped for better operating. Once the pipe is connected to wheels, the program will self-calculate and measure the tire pressure. The inflators can display both SI and bar, and it can be changed by clicking on the panel. With only one there are any issues with the inflator or the tire during operating, the machine will raise alarm to notice operator to avoid further damage or accident. HJS 711LX share with both models HJ7.
Our air inflators. Yes.
C, yes, 4 plus button.
Okay, well, seems pretty intelligent.
Yes,
And what else do we got, Shine? Because, well, we can see that these two models are quite different, but these two are quite the same, right? Can you tell us
wait,
if there's any difference between these two?
Okay, can move
Yeah,
forward?
sure.
Yes, see here. The difference between this model, just the house. See this one with the house, 10-meter house. This model equipped with house wheel.
Okay.
Yeah. So the price will be different.
Of course,
Okay.
yes. Yeah.
Just this difference.
So we've been talking about these two, and how about this small guy? Does it have the same features of the other big ones?
Yeah, it has the same features, but this model is half automatic model. Yes. The operator,
Which means?
it means the operator needs to deflate the tail. Deflate by hand, the pressure by hand.
Okay.
Yes.
So basically, we're having a totally automatic inflator, and we're having a semi-automatic inflator
Yes.
where the inflation goes automatically and the deflation goes manually. Is that what you want to mean?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Right.
I understand. And what else, Shine? Are these the only products that
Now
we have?
I will show you something more.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we're having other models apart from this one.
Yes, we have a big family.
Okay.
Yeah. See enough, your budget is not so high. You can choose the wall amount type. It will save the space and the cost.
So if I understand it right, the products have similar functions, but we got different designs for different environments,
Yes,
right?
Yes.
Okay.
That's true. Okay. And one more thing, we have another model. This one. Yeah.
Let me see.
It's the portable tire inflator.
Which
Yeah.
is quite light, by the way.
It has the same function.
Uh-huh.
It's more convenient.
Yes,
Yeah,
of course,
I will
portable.
show you. You can press this button to start. Because it's with a short hose, so it will save time to inflate the tire. Yes.
Okay, so faster, right?
Yes. So you can have a lot of choice.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay. So, dear friend, here is about our inflator. Yes. Do you want? If you want to know more about our product, just contact with our customer service. Okay. Yes. And one more thing, the promotion is waiting. Please keep in mind that the promotion will be only opened during the Canton Fire on land.
Okay, yes. So
the
limited time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So after the air inflators, are we going to introduce another product today?
Yes. Let's see this one, the nitrogen machine. We will introduce later. Okay.
Shall we watch a video first?
Yes.
Introducing the nitrogen machine WS90FC. Inspired by spacesuit WS90FC has appealed a unique look with a brand new design ever. Our designer has looked back in history, he brings the Egyptian mural in as the drawing on the leather. The leather at back of WS90FC is able to resist moist from damaging the machine. We made our step on the product we created before. The size of LED screen has increased and now it can show real tire pressure. The team also added a new screen to show the detail of inflation or deflation by using clockwise and anti-clockwise symbol animation. Our team had developed a system with 3 different types of nitrogen purity. They are able to be chosen with one valve on the panel under your request. WS90FC can also be used as an air inflator, just need to switch the control valve on the machine. WS90FC has built 2 mufflers in each side to minimize the noise during nitrogen charging. Our team has added an oil-water separation filter and an additional high-precision filter to provide the cleanest air supply. We noticed that people need to work in dark, so we add a LED at the front of WS90FC to provide better user experience. WS90FC has come with an internal sensor which is able to calculate the usage count of molecules and remain the user change it when it needs.
Welcome back, everyone. Hey, Shang.
Yes.
Just introduced, in our video this nitrogen inflator, and my first question is, what are the advantages of using a nitrogen inflator?
Yeah. Let me tell you something about the nitrogen. Nitrogen is an inactive gas. It will not be heated, so it won't be expanded.
Okay.
Yes. So if the tire filled with the nitrogen, it has the low rate and won't be explosion after driving a long time on the road.
Okay, so basically safer and
More stable when you drive the car on the road. Yes, so it's better than the air.
Okay.
Yes.
And well, yeah, we can see the design is amazing, right?
It's like a robot.
And look at this screen. It's so big.
Yes, yes. Yeah, let's see here. This is one complete interface. Yes.
So could you describe us a little bit? What are all these numbers?
See here has two value. It's for the air pressure. Yeah. At this side, this is the machine air pressure, tire pressure. And this side is the real tire pressure.
Okay.
So you can know the difference when inflate the tire.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
And we have
Some symbol here.
at the left corner, what would you say about these two?
This one is for the vacuum time. Yeah. It will count how many minutes or seconds you vacuum the tire.
Okay.
Yes. And this one, the right one, is for the OPS. OPS means the overpressure. Overpressure system. Yes.
And I see at the right side, we have a green symbol here. It's the dynamic animation to show inflation or deflation, right? So basically, if it goes inflation, if it's inflating, it goes anti-clockwise,
Anti-clockwise.
and deflation, it will go clockwise, right?
Clockwise.
So, simple to use, practical, big screen.
Yeah. It's very simple to use.
Yeah. Okay, so let's look at the product a little bit more detail. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there are 3 buttons here with 3 letters, A, B, and C. And shine.
Yeah, these 3 buttons refers to the nitrogen purity. A refers to 99% purity. Yes. B refers to 95% purity. C refers to 92% purity.
Okay.
And do you know how to adjust the purity? Yeah, by this button. Yeah, you
Okay.
can switch here.
From A, B, C.
Hear the
Okay.
noise? You know why it sound.
Yeah. Why does it make this sound just now?
This is a very clever machine. It can sleep for a long time. You do not use it.
So it
Do
goes
you know how to wake up it?
it goes to sleeping mode when you're not really using it, right?
Yes.
So it saves energy.
So let's wake up it. Press this set button for a second,
Okay.
a few seconds.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
It
then
will
we
wake
got the
up.
machine working again. And apart from the digital part of the machine,
Yes.
I can see that we have 2 levers here, so they allow a proper movement of the machine. And if I'm not mistaken, Shine, this would be the silencers, right?
Yeah, that's right. It will distract the noisy.
And how about if we work in the dark?
Yeah, we think about this. Let me show you. Here has the light. Yeah, it's more convenient for the worker. Yeah, when they work in dark air environment.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect.
Yes, it's very considerable.
And I can see a toolbar here.
Yes, you
Right.
can put some small things when you operating. Yeah, you can put the small tools, screws at here.
Well, yeah, pretty useful.
Okay.
And I can see there's 1 hose reel here. So how about, because we only have 1 hose reel,
Yeah.
how about we want to inflate 2 tires at a time or 4 tires at a time? I think we've only got 1 here.
Not enough, you mean?
Might not be enough. Yeah.
Okay, we have some more choice, but for this model, just 1 hose reel. You can see the screen. Yeah, we have some more other models. This model with 2 hose reel. Yes, this model with 4 hose reel.
Okay, so customer can basically choose, no, how many hose reel
Okay.
do they want by choosing the different models of the
Yes,
machine.
but if you equip with more hose reel, the price will be high. So,
Definitely, I understand.
Okay,
Yeah,
you can choose it by your budget.
yeah, of
Okay,
course.
so let me show you something for the machine
Yeah,
back side. Can you help me or not?
of course.
Okay,
Yep,
just turn around.
gonna turn it. As you can see,
Yeah.
it's not difficult
Yes, it's
to maneuver, right?
There are 4 wheels, so you can move it very easily.
Yeah. So, what do we have here? Yeah, it seems that we got here a pair of tanks, and if I'm not mistaken, they are filled with carbon powder and a molecular sieve each, right? Could you talk a little bit about the design as well?
And this is the Egyptian leather design. It will make this machine the machine looking more beautiful. Yes.
Yes. Perfect. So, how about this feature?
Oh, this feature is the secondary feature. So this machine has a double feature, and it can better to
Maneuver, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And I can see we have some numbers here, right?
Oh, yes. This is the time calculator. Yeah, this is used to calculate the machine usage time. Then you know, see here, it shows 52, which means the machine used 52 hours already.
Okay, so it's basically the time of usage, right?
Yes.
Perfect. And yeah, the customer might be wondering what are these two, no? So basically these are the carbon tanks, which are filled with carbon powder and a molecular sieve each. And you might not see it clearly here, but they have a pretty interesting ancient Egyptian design for the customer needs.
Yeah, it also can protect the tank to be damaged
Okay.
with this leather.
Okay, so it
It's
also
very
fulfills
considerable
Yeah.
and beautiful.
Okay.
Okay, the machine sleep again. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're done introducing this.
So, Arnold, would you tell our audience what promotion is going to have for this model, for this machine?
Of course. So buy one piece of any model of this machine, and we will give you one piece of disinfection sprayer, or as we said before, one piece of the ozone generator.
Wow. Wow.
And as we said,
Okay.
if you buy 15 pieces of any model of this machine, we could give you one of these pieces for free.
Wow. That's
Bad,
a
huh?
big promotion. And just valid on the online Canton Fair. So
Yes.
don't miss it.
Okay, and if you're interested, you're welcome to chat with our colleagues.
Yes. Okay, just leave message to our service people. Okay. So next, we are going to introduce some other products.
Yes,
Okay.
now we're going for our third products, the oil guns and the pumps.
Okay.
Let's play a video.
All right.
Introducing to our superior preset digital meter oil control valve. The nozzle was made by one-piece aluminium with special process. Our team has created an anti-leaking decompression system on the nozzle. With clicking top of nozzle, the oil and pressure will release to a normal level. In that case, the oil will drop and the nozzle will be clean. Our nozzle has an omnidirectional pole and rotating connection system, which means it is easy to use under any situation. The nozzle has a high sensitive stepping motor. With this motor, the nozzle is able to inject the oil precisely under your request. We also design a series air-operated oil pump and grease pump. They have different sizes for choice, and those pump are able to cover all kinds of different oil tank.
So, what do you think about the video? Here, I'm going to show you now our all control gun families. And allow me to show you the first of them. This would be the oil control gun, right? The second one we're going to show you is the digital meter oil control gun.
Yes.
And our superstar product, the preset digital meter oil control gun. So basically they have the same function, inject and dispense oil.
So now, can you tell me the difference between these three guns?
Of course, could you pass me the oil control gun?
Yes. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Oops, this one.
Perfect. So this is basically our oil control gun, and it goes without a digital meter LCD screen. As you can see, there's no screen here or preset function, and you can basically use it for all dispensing control system and for all filling quantity using the computer system.
Okay, so it cannot count the number. It has to use together with other machine with the computer system.
Exactly. So this would be basically the most simple model that we have, right?
Okay.
And then
Yeah, this is the second one.
The second one, no. We are going from the simple one to the most sophisticated ones. This would be our digital meter all control gun, which has indeed a LCD meter screen, but it does not have a preset function. So basically, you can inject the oil quantity by looking at the digital display that we have here.
Just press the start. Yeah, you can see the number at here.
Yeah,
Okay.
I see. And
This one.
as we said, our most sophisticated product, the preset digital meter all control gun, which has both a digital meter LCD screen and a preset function. So the valve basically will work automatically and stop once the injecting process is completed.
Okay, I'm clear now. So we have the basic model without the screen and without the preset function.
Yep.
And then we have a medium class model with the screen, but without preset function. And that one is the high class one.
Which both has the screen and the preset
Yes, I know.
function.
Okay.
Yes, so also for our all control guns, we have more specifications to tell you. So first of all, this all control gun has a flow rate from 1 liter to 25 liters per minute.
Okay, I see.
The second specification is it has a precision of plus minus 0.3%, which is actually higher than the industrial standard at plus minus 0.5%.
Wow, so it's higher than the industry standard.
Exactly.
Oh, wonderful.
Third, it functions with a maximum pressure at 70 bar and a minimum pressure at 3 bar.
Okay, it makes sense.
And the fourth specification of this product is that it basically comes with an inlet connection of fit industry standard oil hose reel.
Okay.
Fifth, it does have a flexible hose, rigid top
See
tube.
here, this one is the flexible hose.
No, you can choose between a flexible hose reel or choose the rigid one, out of your choice, yeah?
Okay, so after introducing for the 3 lanes, which model you are going to introduce to us?
Which model, are you asking me which one is the most popular one?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. If I had to recommend one, of course, I will introduce our most sophisticated products with the preset digital on the screen, definitely.
Yeah, I know something about this gun. Yeah.
Give us some specifications about it.
Okay, let me show you. Yeah, see here. Here has the anti-leaking button. Yeah. After inject the oil, just press this button. It will anti-leaking.
So
Yeah, it's our patent.
Okay, okay.
And the other function is here, this part. See here, it can rotating 360 degrees. Yes.
Okay.
It's much more convenient. You can adjust the angle.
Yes.
Yes.
So basically, rotating function. We have an anti-leaking.
Function.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know I'm gonna get.
Okay, everyone, now I would like to introduce you a great wheel alignment. You know that the wheel alignment is very important for any repair shops because it can ensure a great driving experience. It can provide you with the optimal drivability. Besides that, with the alignment of the wheels, it can also ensure a longer tire life as well. So today, I would like to introduce you with our PL-3D-5555U. This is also one of the star products of our company because we know that this product has a very high precision. Before, the customers, they will not believe that this precision can be so high and so good. But after they try these products and compare to the products from the USA or Italy, and they find out that the balance groups alignment, it is really great. Now I would like to move to this wheel alignment and let our engineer, Mr. Fan, to operate on this machine. And then I would like to ask all of you to have a closer look, and we will explain to you. Thank you very much. Now please follow me. 小芬，现在可以操作了，然后每一步都解释给我听。Okay, now please look at on this screen. 每一步介绍。第一步是什么？
打开。
So the first step, we would like to start the procedure. 你要不停地说话。Okay, so now let's look at this.
测试目标板是否正常工作。
So the first step is to test whether it is operation. Yeah.
进入程序。
Now we comes into the procedure.
选择车型。
This is a time for you to select the right car models. We have the database here and so many different car models. Try to find the right one. 继续。
找到合适的车型。
So we find the right car models. This one is Audi Q7.
OK, 确认车型。
And confirm. Tap on confirm, and then we comes into the next step. Here we have the original data. This is the factory default data of this car model.
进入车辆。
Now we comes to the measurement.
首先要把方向盘。
The first step it is that we have just fixed the steer. Now, please follow every step of our engineer. It is very easy to operate.
这样进行是推车动作。
Now we have to move the car. Please have a closer look.
转手过来把胶垫取了。
So, okay, here.
顺便帮我推一下。
So now we start to move this vehicle. Follow the move of our engineer. Yeah, so please come here.
拿到了没有？
So, okay, now we have to start that. Move. Okay, so you see that we can operate on this interface. It's very easy to understand with a lot of different figures here.
现在出示的就是需要调节的数据。
And these numbers are those ones you need to adjust it. All the data you need to adjust it are already displayed here.
操作工会跟着这个数据去。
And the operator, when they operate on this equipment, they will just follow all the instructions which are very clear on this interface.
这个还带自动追踪。
And this also has an automatic tracking system.
上升。
It can auto track for the cars to go up or down. So now let's see how we are operation. See, our engineer is tapping the button and then we lift the car. Okay, now we would like to show you how we can control on this control console so that the car will move up and down. Very easy. Okay, let's show you once again because this is a very important feature. Okay, now it's time for us to operate that once again. Okay, start. And then press the button. Very easy. See, the car has been lifted to a certain height. Very smoothly, very stable. This is one of the most reliable machines we have in our factory. Okay. When the car lift is moving up, and those cameras are checking automatically, and they will also move up automatically as well. See, now we are descending. Okay, now we move to the next part. Here, follow the interface. 下一步是什么? Okay, now look at here. Tap here, and then we come to inspecting the tire pressure. Now we have to test the steer. And also here, we have the visual 3D wheel alignment. These are all the operation procedures. So when you get this equipment from us, because the interface has already shown you almost all the instructions, so it's very easy to follow. You can save a lot of time on training your people. Okay, now we finish the introduction of this wheel alignment. We would like to see a great partner of this wheel alignment, the lift. Because here we have ultra-thin scissor lift, which is a great partner of wheel alignment. And the feature of this is to ditch this. You don't need to do any change work. So you don't need to do the change work on any ground. So that is very fit for all kinds of different repair shops. So you can fit for the surface, ground, and structure of almost all kinds of structures. So that can fit for different workshops, especially for the mid and end users. Because when they want to do the installation work or the operation work on the ground, that really take much work, right? Especially for those floors that has already been decorated. So now you can have a closer look of this ultra-thin scissor lift. The minimum height is only 200 millimeter. And now we can descend this machine for you to have a closer look. So this height, 200 millimeter, that can meet for almost all kinds of different car models, especially for those ultra low chassis. Okay, so we will wait slowly, see, for this lift to descend to the ground. Okay, see here, the installation on this ground now, this is only 200 millimeter, really ultra thin. The biggest characteristics which can attract a lot of customers is that it is the best partner for the wheel alignment. The reason for that, I will share with you. So first of all, let's see here. Okay, so this is adjustable cover. Okay, so now I would like to ask the engineer to show it for us. Oh, this is the turntable here. Have a closer look. The turntable is to work together with the operation of wheel alignment, and they can reduce the abrasion of the wheels. So Okay, now let's look at on the back or the rear part of the car. So here, okay, we have a side slip. I will ask our engineer to show it to you, the side slip. So this is also work together with the wheel alignment. So we're cooperating with the height of the D40B, so that can ensure high accuracy of our measurement data. So it can really help you to get to your customer and win the customer. And that is the best helper to the wheel alignment. And also the best helper in your workshop. Now, let's go back to their main characteristics, especially for the customers in the Europes. So we know that safety it is the biggest concern for these customers. For the D40B, it can do a lot of things. So now I would like to ask our engineer to show us the maximum height. Now we strictly control the height, and the maximum height can be 1,700 millimeters. Now let's wait and have a closer look. Okay, the camera will show you the height switch, the height limit switch, height limit switch. So, Mr. Fang, could you please show us where is the height limit switch? So, when this vehicle is lifted to 1,700 millimeters, we will have this height limit switch to ensure that it will not move up beyond the limit so that we can avoid the damage. Secondly, we also have the descending switch. And then I would like to ask our engineer to show us about the position. And the camera will give you a very clear look of this secondary limit switch. So just follow our engineer. So this is the one for the secondary descending. And the main function is that when this whole car lift has been lowered to 300 millimeters, we can ensure that the operators can see that whether there are any obstacles that they need to move away necessary. So that is a very important guarantee for safety. Okay, now I would like to ask Mr. Fan to show you how is the magnetic descending function. Okay, here is moving slowly, 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 descending slowly, slowly, slowly. We can see that is quite stable, and the two platforms can move synchronously with each other. So let's pay close attention. When it's 350 millimeters, it will be alarm, automatic alarm. So see, you will hear the alarm. This is the function of the automatic alarming. Okay, we'll just stop like here. And our safety valve is also a must, which has been equipped on every type of our equipment, safety valve. The function of the safety valve is to ensure that after the speed of the descending can be very slow and ensure that all the operators' safety. So when people are working under or beneath this vehicle, we can ensure their safety. This is the safety valve, highly security. So now I would like to show you the optoelectric switch. A lot of people don't know what are they for. So I would like to ask you to show us where is the optoelectric switch. So after the car lifted to a certain height, our engineer will show us. So during the moving up and down. So see here, with the control of the optoelectric. Once we find that these two things are not moving synchronously or are not on the same leveling limit, so this one will ensure the safety. So please come here to take a closer look of the optoelectric switch. Yeah, here. Okay, now we would like to give you a demo. This is an infrared sensor. So if you put something as an obstacle and that the sensor could not feel the infrared, see what will happen. Yeah. So you have already had see that very clearly, right? Okay, lastly, there's another very important feature. Let's see the safety lock. So here, this one, yeah. So what is the function of the safety lock? This one, it is also one of the core parts of the safety and security of the whole vehicle. With this one, we can fix or lock the equipment at any position. See how we're operating that. So every equipment have these double teeth jaws. I would like to ask our engineer to show you where are the jaws. So it's here, which can ensure that when our people are operating that, it can ensure a very stable stop and quite reliable. So you don't need to worry about the safety anymore. So this is the introduction of that. Thank you very much for your watching.
D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters. It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for four-wheel alignment. D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack. Manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. Now lift the vehicle with the electric rolling jack. Wheel alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. Anytime. At measurement. At the measurement.
Okay, safety, safety, safety. D40B is definitely the best choice for any mid or larger sized of the repair shops. One machine for multiple uses. It can ensure that it's of the inspections and there of the tire changer, all kind of different functions, so the camera can move with us. So for D40B, it can work together with the rolling jack. So now we will move into the rolling jack. So here we have two rolling jacks, the secondary rolling jacks, and we will ask our engineer to operate on the rolling jack so we have a more clear understanding. So positioning and then moving up, moving very convenient. So here, this rolling jack can provide our users with the services of the demounting of the tires.